because I already know what I'm doing. What you doing there? Dog or Peregrine Falcon?
Now it's time for the doggy.
Okay. So you're doing Peregrine Falcon last. Again, starting from way back there. 3, 2, 1, begin. And that is actually a very good representation of our puppies. They actually sound. Okay. Dragonful last, everyone. This is the one that I've been waiting for the most.
But what about me?
You're doing the Peregrine Falcon last. Dragon last. Here we go. My favorite fantasy animal. Don't get too close.
Hey, my favorite animal is
A unicorn.
cat.
Okay,
I
cat.
said unicorn.
Okay. And then
I also like
this.
I like the unicorn and cat.
This is my favorite trick of all. Okay? No, it's not a flip or anything, but just watch. Okay?
You're starting way back there.
Yep, starting way back here. Oh, and if you guys did not know, this is the wall jump wall. We use this. I use this in all my wall jump videos. But yeah, this is our room, my room. We rearrange, but yeah, that's
That's the light.
Stop.
Is it the wall jump?
Ready? Why don't you go all the way to the front?
Yank.
Don't run like that with the camera. It makes it look. Ready? 3, 2, 1, begin. Whoa! Let's get it! I did that first try. Wait. I actually have another one. Back up. Bam! Let's go. Stationary jump. Easy. Peregrine Falcon time. Once again, starting from the back. 3, 2, 1. Don't need it. Go. Don't ask me what that is. She can't do Peregrine Falcon. But yeah, that was it for the. Oh.
Stay here.
And 180 at the end. Is that it? Hey, well that is the video. Hope you enjoyed the video with me and Katie. And in about 6 minutes, we're gonna be doing the fourth. See you guys next time. Peace and see ya on the fam side. Peace.